Hey, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trips with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2021 Ford Transit Connect. This is going to be our long wheelbase cargo van with a GVWR rated for light duty commercial use. Of course, as you guys can tell, this is a very nice vehicle. This vehicle's stock number is going to be 87190. As we're walking around, I will go ahead and give you guys a close-up of our tires. This is just to give you guys a good view of what our tires look like and the quality that we provide here at DAS. All of our vehicles go through a lengthy process of reconditioning because we want to make sure that you guys are able to leave home with the best quality possible. Along with our tires, we do have our recently painted chassis. Here at DAS, we like to paint the chassis to prevent any kinds of rust from forming underneath our trucks. And of course, we do have our sliding door. So before showing you guys our rear side, I will go ahead and open this section up and give you guys a view of this. Now with this vehicle, we do have our entrance. This is going to be our cargo area. It has sliding doors on both sides with our rear doors, and then our view into the front part. I'll go ahead and close this up and show you guys the rear side. With a head-on view of the Connect itself, this is what our rear side is going to look like. Of course, we do have our backup camera right down here, and that connects to our screen that's inside. And I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys the inside of the actual cargo area. With our doors open, we do have our rear opening width of 4'2", with our opening height being 3'9". Inside the cargo area itself, we do have a length of 6'7". We have a height of 4'1". And of course, as you guys can tell, this is in very, very nice condition. Our team likes to make sure that we leave you guys with the best quality possible. Of course, these doors do stand and hold open on their own. All you would have to do is make sure that it actually pushes all the way back, and then it makes sure that it won't go anywhere. Now I'll go ahead and close these up and show you guys this other side. Having closed our rear side, this is what this side is going to look like. Go ahead and just step back so you guys have a good ample view of the vehicle itself. Now of course, we do have our gasoline tank right over here in the back, and our other set of sliding doors. Go ahead and open it up and show you guys inside. With our sliding door open, it is going to look practically the same as the other side, just from a different angle. Of course, this is going to be the actual front part. And here at our entrance, we do have our width of 210 and our height of 3'8". Now of course, before hopping in front of the steering wheel, go ahead and open it up and give you guys a good view from this side. Our team likes to make sure that all of our vehicles are fully detailed and ready to leave whenever you guys are taking them home. Now let me go ahead and hop in the steering wheel, and then I'll show you guys our close-up. At our steering wheel itself, right behind it on the dash, we do see that it has 92,255 miles. Of course, on the steering wheel itself, we do have our cruise control right down here with our phone integrated controls and our dash controls as well. Over to the left side, we do have our powered windows and locks. And then right below that, you will find access to our headlights, which is this little button. Over on this side, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I will go ahead and turn on the actual vehicle, so you guys have a good view of what our actual touchscreen radio looks like. Of course, this does have AM, FM, sync connection, Bluetooth. Let that just turn on. Now we do have our different controls here, so you're able to connect your device. Again, you do have your radio itself. Go ahead and just show you guys our sources. And then of course, connect your phone. Right below that, we will find our AC. As you guys can tell, this AC and heater work amazing. Right now it's really, really hot outside, so it's came in handy and very powerful as well. Now, of course, along with that, we do have our center console section. This is going to have some extra storage, our cup holders, and then some phone integrated device chargers, as you can tell. Now, of course, we do have our 2 seats here. We have a small overhead storage space where you're able to put your belongings. And then, of course, our rear side. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up at our engine. Dashtrack likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned, so please take a quick look at our 2-liter GDI I-4 gasoline engine. This engine runs off of an 8-speed automatic transmission. And that'll wrap it up for today's 2021 Ford Transit Connect. If you guys have any other questions on this cargo van, make sure you give us a call or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the actual link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Don't forget to check out that small information snippet. I will be leaving information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.